Hi, welcome to KATRIS. Take a look at our new product, the KATRIS Nest. Not only is it a premium cat lounge, but it's also so much more. The KATRIS Nest is made out of 100+ high-density corrugated sheets of our eco-friendly material, folded and secured with a felt ring. The Nest is complete with a replaceable scratching circle pad and a felt top to ensure that your cat can choose between a comfy bed or a scratching toy. The KATRIS Nest is a scratcher, a massager, and a great place for a little nap. The material is sturdy but lightweight. It's cool too. In the summer days, your cat can bathe in the sun without getting too hot. The Nest's unique design provides fun and comfort for your cat, and it looks great in your home too. We gave out 50 first samples to our furry friends, and every cat loved them. To pre-order your own KATRIS Nest, pledge today to help us make every cat happy.